Let us start multiple choice questions from topic bioinorganic chemistry. First question: sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium are present in bulk quantities in biological processes are called metals. Options are A trace, B transition, C bulk, D rare. Correct option is bulk. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium are present in bulk quantities in biological processes and are called bulk metals. Second, the elements which are absolutely necessary for life process are called elements. Options are essential, trace, either trace or essential, neither trace nor essential. Correct option is option A, essential. Then next, is essential structural element for all organisms. Options are sodium, calcium, silver, gold. So correct option is option B, that is calcium. Calcium is essential structural element for all organisms. Then next, the important role in maintaining the correct heartbeat is of. Options are sodium, calcium, cadmium, arsenic. So correct option is B, calcium. The important role in maintaining correct heartbeat is of also calcium. Then next, activates the chlorophyll in plants. Sodium, magnesium, calcium, cadmium. Correct option is magnesium activates the chlorophyll in plants. Next, rapid exchanging capacity of calcium accounts for the contraction of nerves, muscles, legs and feet. None of these. Correct option is B, that is muscles. Is essential to all organisms as a main part of blood cells. Options are sodium, magnesium, iron, cobalt. Correct option is iron. Iron is essential to all organisms as a main part of blood cells. The next, metalloporphyrins are complexes between. Option A, metal and non-metals. B, metal and porphyrins. C, non-metal and porphyrins. D, all of these. Correct option, option B, metal and porphyrins. Then next, the porphyrins are the substituted porphins at position. Pyridine, pyrrole, indole, thiol. Correct option B, that is pyrrole. The next, hemoglobin and myoglobin are the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids या organometallic compound. Correct option B, hemoglobin and myoglobin are the proteins. The next, the function of hemoglobin is option A, to transport oxygen from lungs to myoglobin. B, to carry oxygen to lungs. C, both A and B. D, none of these. Correct option is option B, to carry oxygen to lungs. Then next, the function of myoglobin is to transport oxygen, store oxygen, transport carbon dioxide, store carbon dioxide. Correct option B, the function of myoglobin is to store oxygen. The active site in hemoglobin and myoglobin is active group. Heme, hydroxyl, aldehyde, ketonic. Correct option, option A, heme group. There are heme groups in hemoglobin 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 heme groups in hemoglobin. Iron is stored as option A, ferritin, hemoglobin, iron second myoglobin, transferrin. Correct option A, that is iron is stored as ferritin. Hemoglobin may be mer of myoglobin, di, tri, tetra, penta. So hemoglobin may be tetramer of myoglobin. Myoglobin contains amino acids 141, 146, 153, 253. Correct option C, that is 153. Myoglobin contains 153 amino acids. Dot dot metal is involved in blood clotting. So options are calcium, iron, cadmium, lead. So correct option is calcium. Metal is involved in blood clotting. The next, the binding power of hemoglobin is dot dot dependent. Options are H2O, that is water, pH, oxygen, carbon. Correct option is B, pH. The binding power of hemoglobin is pH dependent. Then next, the molecular weight of myoglobin is 17,000, 64,500, 34,000, 51,000. The molecular weight of myoglobin is option A, 17,000. Hemoglobin is present in RBCs, WBCs, blood platelets, none of these. So hemoglobin is present in RBCs, that is red blood corpuscles. Then next, deoxygenated hemoglobin has structure octahedral, square pyramidal, tetrahedral, none of these. So here correct option is square pyramidal. Deoxygenated hemoglobin has structure square pyramidal. The next, cooperativity was proposed by M.F. Hussain, M.F. Perutz, D.F. Perry, O.F. Murray. So correct option is B, cooperativity was proposed by M.F. Perutz. The next, oxygenated hemoglobin has dot dot structure octahedral, square pyramidal, tetrahedral, none of these. So oxygenated hemoglobin has octahedral structure. Deoxygenated hemoglobin has square pyramidal and oxygenated hemoglobin has octahedral structure. The next, cooperative effect is observed in options are myoglobin, hemoglobin, heme या porphyrin. So correct option B, that is hemoglobin. The next, in human body about dot dot percent of iron second appear as a hemoglobin 25, 35, 65, 95. Correct option C, that is 65. In human body about 65% of iron second appear as a hemoglobin. The next, oxygenated hemoglobin and myoglobin are dot dot paramagnetic, diamagnetic, both A and B, none of these. So correct option is option B, that is diamagnetic. Oxygenated hemoglobin and myoglobin are diamagnetic. The role of Na plus and K plus in metabolism is option A, to maintain osmotic pressure of fluid, to maintain pH of fluid, to transport CO2, all of these. So here correct option is option D, all of these. The next, sodium pump transport dot dot ion into the cell. Sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. So sodium pump transport potassium ion into the cell. The next, usually Na plus is extracellular while dot dot is intracellular in biological process. Na plus, K plus, Ca plus plus, Mg plus plus. So here correct option is option B, that is K plus. K plus is intracellular while Na plus is extracellular. The next, dot dot plays an important role as messenger for hormonal action. Options are Na plus, sodium ion, K plus, potassium ion, calcium ion, Ca plus plus, and magnesium ion, Mg plus plus. So here correct option is option C, Ca plus plus plays an important role as messenger for hormonal action. Then next, the elements which are neither essential nor beneficial and may cause ill effects are known as trace elements, bulk elements, toxic elements, none of these. So correct option is C, toxic elements. Then next, in deoxyhemoglobin, the distance between the Fe and plane of porphyrins is dot dot angstrom, 0.40, 0.92, 0.75, 0.80. So correct option A 0.40. And last question, the function of hemoglobin is to transport ... from lungs to tissues and ... from tissue to lungs. So here option A is correct, that is the function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen from lungs to tissue and carbon dioxide from tissue to lungs. So here we completed the multiple choice question from topic bioinorganic chemistry. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.